Tim the Tool Guy here. Here's where I am. I have trim boards, first coat of paint. This is just for the bathroom. The rest of the trim I'm going to paint in place. I've already pre-primed all of it. But the bathroom is a tight squeeze. There's lots of little nooks and crannies in here. It's going to be difficult to paint behind the toilet. So just going to paint it all and just fix it up as needed. I also have built my supply covers, and there goes the battery. Oh, no, I guess I've also built my supply covers, and you can see those here. So there was only one of the original ones left. I assume this was the original. There's only one of them left. The other ones are really pathetic. The ones that someone built. So I built these out of poplar, some leftover wood, pocket screws, all the frames together, and it's a simple triangular shaped here. And it covers that nicely. Oh, I need some adjusting. And then I have some grills that go on the fronts of those. And I used 7.5-inch baseboard, and that's what was originally in this house. You can see in the living room, there's a section right here. It's just 7.5-inch with a little shoe molding. But I wanted to dress it up a little bit nicer. So I bought this L molding. And it has, you can see the profile here. And it's just gonna sit on top and go all the way around. I haven't attached these yet. So I have it going around the supply cover things. And it's going to sit on top of the baseboard all the way around. I'm going to add them to the living room also. And that should dress up baseboard, make it look a little bit nicer. And that'll be just for the dining room, living room, and the bathroom, this little half bath. The rest of the house will just stay 7.5-inch plain molding. Kitchen update. I have all the appliances in except for the stove, but I'm going to do backsplash first. Fridge, microwave, had the plumbers out, and now we have running water. Isn't that great? I love it. All of my trim is in. Got me some cool baskets. It'll look nice there. So anyway, that's my update. I'm working on trim right now, doing lots of carpentry, which I really enjoy doing. Anyway, signing off. Thank you.